Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to start Chapter 3, Understand Multiplication. I know a lot of you have been very excited to learn how to multiply since we've started third grade, and now we're going to get the chance. Before we get started with learning all of the strategies for how to multiply, we are going to fill out some information so that you can show what you know before we get started. So you're going to show what you know on these slides about what you know about skip counting, what you know about arrays, and using a number line to add. So what I'd like you to do now is open your math workbook to page 137. You're going to use your workbook to do the problems and then type your answers on the slide. So for 1 and 2 in your workbook, you're going to use the number line to add. So if you want to draw your lines, draw your jumps on the number line to help you, you can. Just make sure that once you figure out the answers to the problems, you double click in the boxes and type your answers. On this page, there is a math in the real world word problem. It might be a little bit tricky for some of you, so we just want you to give your best try. The word problem says Ryan's class went on a field trip to a farm. They saw 5 cows and 6 chickens. Help to find how many legs were on all the animals they saw. Remember, when you are figuring out how many legs were on all the animals, remember that each cow has 4 legs and each chicken has 2 legs. So there's 5 cows with 4 legs each and 6 chickens with 2 legs each. Again, you can use your math workbook to do the work and then type your answer in the box. These next few slides have the Chapter 3 vocabulary cards on them. Here's the vocabulary word, and the definition is attached to the side of the word. You can cut out your paper vocabulary cards from your workbook. They're on the next page from the Show What You Know page. You can cut them out and keep them in a safe place, and you can practice them a little bit today before you finish your math work. They're here for you in case you want to use these to then complete this page for us. You're going to read each definition here. Find the definition on the vocabulary card and type the word that matches the vocabulary definition in the box. Okay, so my suggestion is if you have the cards cut out, flip them all over to the back side where the definition is. Find the definition that's written here. So find a set of objects arranged in rows and columns. Flip that card over, and the word on the back is the word that you'll type here. Then you're going to review this slide. It's got all of the review words that we need to help us move forward with multiplication. So when we have a tree map, it is words that relate to each other. And in our case, it's all about math. So related facts and number sentences are all included in both addition and subtraction. So we have to find related facts in addition, related facts in subtraction, and you can write a number sentence in both. What you're going to do is look at the last 3 words, addend, difference, sum, and you're going to type them where they belong. These 2 words will be addition words. This will be a subtraction word. So now it's your turn to show us what you know. When you finish these slides, you can go back to your vocabulary cards and practice them so you're ready to start our chapter on multiplication.